Busy si Rose. Hi, Rose. You have a visitor tomorrow. Ayan, linis ka ngayon dyan. She cleaning the door because be visitor tomorrow. Ang daming palinis ni Bruha. A lot of clean.
Yeah, cleaning.
Cleaning. Punas ka ngayon ng pinto. May bisita bukas. Bukra visitor. So, you know, tomorrow visitor again. Bahay ni Madam Damin. She cleaning the door. Yung wasak. Madam say wasak.
Yeah.
Wasak. Just do like this. The door very old. You see, Karban.
Yeah, older than me. This dog. Wrinkles.
Hey, what?
It's heads.
Sipag. Yeah, you clean.
This open?
Wala, kalikot. Then leave sabon ha. Madam come, madam, she slide. Muskila. Ayun. Now brush the floor.
Yeah.
Visitor coming. May pakain dito bukas.
Are they coming to see Fro?
It's a floor, it's dirty. Then what they cook? Magluba.
Hey, if magrubala.
Magluba.
Maybe tomorrow we will eat fish.